One of the main ways bloggers make money online is by displaying advertisement on their website blog. So once your website is being developed, then the next thing you have to do is simply monetize this with a website. Okay, all you need to do is simply constantly upload your content, your blog content. Once people are visiting your website, and the impressions and the click will also count as your revenue. All right, one of the main challenges new bloggers face is getting their website accepted in most top ad network. All right, so in this video I've come up with a solution on how to simply get an approval for your ad network on this new platform. All right, so in this video I'm going to simply show you my top best ad network that I can easily give you higher CPN and also approval. All right, so these are the top notch 25 and beyond. All right, so if you're not registered in any of these websites, you can simply go ahead and try them out yourself. The last on our list is one of the best I like so much, so you have to simply stick to the ending part of this video so that you can get all the gist, all the full gist. All right, so without further ado, let's get into it right now. The first on our list is Ero Advertising. This is Ero Advertising right here. This is EroAdvertising.com. This is one of the best ad network that I like so much. One of the best things I like about this ad network is that they give you a lot of ad format to go for. All right, so they have the banner ad format, they have the pop ad, they have the native ad, and also the video ad. Okay, so if you scroll up a little bit right here, this video platform helps you to get traffic. Okay, make sure you register as a publisher, and if you want to get traffic, you have to make sure you register as an advertiser. Okay, so there are billions of daily impressions worldwide coming in on this very platform, which means once you register on this very platform as an advertiser and also as a publisher, you have nothing to lose. All right, so you need to do is simply scroll down a little bit, then on this very section right here, you have to simply come over to this section right here and sign up on the platform. Once you are signed up, make sure you get your website ready, then add your website for ad display. All right, there are a lot of platforms and companies that are already partnering with this very platform. Okay, so these are a list of them. All right, we have the Rev Linker, we have the Traffic Stars, we have all of them right here. Okay, there are various ways for you to withdraw. Okay, so one of the major things that you can simply look out for when selecting your ad network is their payment method. All right, so you have to make sure that their payment methods are accepted in your country. Okay, so if you are signing up any of these very platform and you find out that the recommended payment method are not available in your country, make sure you run away and choose another one. Okay, payment method, we have the deposit payment method, which means this one is for publishers while this one is for advertisers. All right, so for the publishers, you can withdraw your money through wire bank transfer, which is good, and also through Paytm. All right, so when you have £50, all right, so for those that want to advertise, you can easily deposit right here. We have the forms of deposit, which are the direct transfer and Paytm. We have the ideal bank contact. Okay, we have the BTC and also the USDT. Okay, so one of the things that I would advise you to do is this: when you are depositing in any platform, I would advise you not to use any of these. All right, because if anything happens, if any changes happen, or maybe if there is any error, you are going to lose your money. All right, so if you're using the USDT, you have to make sure that you are extremely careful. Okay, so I would advise you to go ahead and use your wire bank transfer or card to register on this very platform, so that even if it maybe happens to be lost, you have to make sure you file an appeal and let them reverse the money back to your account, but they cannot reverse cryptocurrency back to your USD wallet address. Okay, so you have to take note of that. So the next on our list, we have the Dao.ad. Okay, so this is Dao.ad right here. This very Dao.ad, one of the best things I like about this platform is that if you want traffic, this platform is going to give you high quality traffic, and if you want to monetize your website, you can also get it on this very platform. Okay, this platform is for advertisers. All right, so we sell you traffic, which means you come here to buy traffic. Okay, so for webmasters, you can come here to monetize your traffic, which means you already have a platform or website where people visit and you want to monetize that traffic. You have to make sure you use your website for this. Okay, so we have the advertising network. So if you scroll down right, you're going to see there are a lot of ad formats available, which means you have nothing to lose, and you have you're not going to get ad limit. Okay, so if you come to this section, we have the push ad, we have the native ad format, video, and also the pop on that. Okay, so this video platform, what you need to do is simply come over to this section, register your account. Once your account is registered, make sure you add your website for monetization. So you have to make sure you register your account on this video platform. Once your account is registered, then you can simply start pumping in content on your blog to increase your traffic. And if you want to run advertisement, these are various ways you can easily deposit into your account. Okay, you can deposit via Visa, MasterCard, UniPay, we have the Google Pay, we have the Apple Pay, Passion, lot of them right here, Payoneer. Okay, you can also add Bitcoin. Okay, so we have the wire transfer and also Bitcoin. You can easily go ahead and contact the customer service before depositing if you're making your ad campaign. Okay, so the next on our list we have Bidvance. Okay, so this is Bidvance. The same way this very platform works, which is Ero Advertising, that is also the same way Bidvance works. Okay, so this platform right here also gives you traffic. All right, so the next thing you're going to do right now is simply register your account. Once your account is registered, it is now left for you to choose whether you want to go for publisher account or maybe advertiser account. So on this very section, they have the banners, they have the interstitial, they have the pop unders, they have the redirect. Okay, so don't choose the direct because this is gonna pursue your visitors away. Don't use pop unders. The pop unders can easily direct your visitors away from your site, and most of these visitors might not be taking enough to maybe instantly push back to your website. Okay, but I would advise you to use the interstitial and also the banner because it seems good and also mobile friendly for your visitors. Okay, so the next on our list we have the Adcash. This is one of the old fathers out there. If you're here to monetize your traffic or to monetize your website, go for publishers, then click on this start monetizing. Then for the ad format, if you could scroll down a little bit, you're gonna see you can easily monetize on this very platform. So for the ad format, they have various ad formats on this very platform. If you click on this see all ad format, then if you click on that, that is going to open another page. You can see right here we have the pop under, we have the interstitial, in-page push, native banner, auto tag. Okay, so all of these are included in this auto tag. Okay, so you can easily use any of these. So these are the ad formats available. You can simply go ahead and register, then add your website. If you don't have a website, go ahead and contact a developer that will develop your website and also get your website monetized. Okay, so if you don't have any developer, you can simply join us on a Telegram channel. The next on our list we have the RichAds. We have the RichAds right here. One of the best things I like about the platform is that you can easily run your advertisement on the platform even with direct link. Okay, so you can easily embed your ad campaign on direct link. When people click on that, they can easily be redirected to your page or to the landing page you are promoting or running ad for. Okay, so you have to make sure you register on this platform by clicking on the sign up button. Once you click on that, then you can simply go ahead and explore all the ad formats. We have the push ads, we have the direct link, we have the native ad, we have the in-page and pop under. Okay, so remember what I told you about the pop under and also the in-page. And so if you using pop under, there are every tendency that your traffic will decrease because people will come into your website only for them to be redirected to another platform. Okay, altogether, most of these people are not techy enough. Okay, so if you can easily scroll back instantly when this happens, then you're not going to see the ad. Okay, so 100% of people that will visit your website are going to simply go away because of this pop under. So you need to do simply sign up on the platform. Once you're signed up, you can simply start monetizing your website. The next on our list we have the EZmob. So EZmob is one of the best I like so much by monetizing your traffic and also running advertisement. So this is one of the best among the rest. Okay, so remember I told you I'm gonna simply give you the best at the end part of the video. Okay, so you can easily come over to this section right here, click on the monetize button, then register your account on the platform. Once you're registered, you're going to simply add your website blog. Once your website is added, you can start pushing in traffic. Okay, even without having to run ad. Okay, so if you have any question on this, I would like you to drop it down in the comment section. If you have anything bothering you, click the link in the video description and join us on our Telegram channel. I'm going to be there to reply you. Okay, I'm going to see you guys in the next video.